Back and today, today we or should I say, I will be showing you guys how to make a uh, dragon puppet base, just like this, as you see here. Oh goodness gracious, that's moving a lot. Either way, yes, I'm going to be showing you something like this, how to make it. Because I won't be showing you like any dragons or stuff like that because I don't have any dragons with this Taki Taki. I mean, I do have Taki Taki like dragons. One second, I'll show you guys. So, guys, I've got the dragons. So here are the dragons. Oh goodness. Here are the dragons that have this Taki thing, right? But they don't have a base. This is how they look like. So they are just like normal dragons with just one paper here, one paper here. And then they got a paper here also, just the same for the space, and it's connected with a tape. And yeah, that's how this is looking like. So that's how this looks like how Hydra looks like. How this guy looks like. I don't know how I named this guy, but like, yeah, that's it. So this guy has the same thing. This guy has a real small like place to put your finger, and it's like it's really hard to put my thumb in there. So yeah, and I hate these feathers. Ugh. But either way, not about that now. So let me just put those dragons away. And yeah, you see here, this is the mini girl I got. I think I call her always Mini. I don't know. And then we got the first dragon I. Oh my, that's so shaky. The first dragon I've ever made. So yeah. Oh. That's a bit weird, but yeah, that's what we get. Okay, I just put that away. So right now we're going to be making a thing like this. So I'm going to be telling you what you would need. Let's just put that over here. Definitely need scissors. I think I don't know. I just take this because if you don't like, if you do something wrong or stuff like that. So yeah, this is a, what is this called? A rubber? Yeah, it's a rubber, I think. Rubber? No. Either way, just never mind. You just need something like that, you know, to take the you know, you guys know. This is a ruler here. You either need a glue stick or hot glue. I do prefer glue sticks because they are much more cooler, and you don't have to like worry about like that's gonna be dangerous and stuff like that. And you need a pen, not a pen. I don't know what you want, like a pen, how is it called? I don't know. My mind is not working today. Either way, and oh right, you would need. I get 3 or 4 sheets of A4 paper. A4, yep, these are A4. God, it's already 3 minutes recording. Oh goodness. Okay, either way, let's get into it. I'm going to be recording from this side because I've got my tablet right. Oh, my tablet right here, and it's like it's literally flying in the air. So it's a bit, yeah. Either way, let's just put those things over the side and let's start. So I'm going to probably do the same as this, which yeah, this is a triangle. I may be doing a little bit different, and don't mind these stuff. That's because of my mom. Either way, yeah, we're gonna be doing this. Let me just get the paper sheets. Okay, there we go. So, I think, okay, so we need, first, I think we're going to be doing is, yeah, okay. So, what you want to get is around 2 centimeters. So, 2 centimeters. So, here, you want 2 centimeters. I don't know if you guys see this or not. Hope you guys do. So, we've got 2 centimeters of a fold, and we're going to be folding this. One second, guys, because this is not folding. There we go. That's about 2 centimeters. I'm not a person that really cares about the wonky, not wonky. I just do it so you know you have it. I mean, it's best to not have it wonky, not have a wonky line. But there we go. Sorry guys, I did not see. So that's what I got here. Let me just move these 2 things over here, and that will be easier for you guys to see. There we go. So we've got that. Press it down, and we're going to do it. Definitely not like this. Oh goodness. sorry guys, not this way, then again this way. You just want to do the whole way all the time like that, like, so just rolling it up. Oh goodness. So as you see here, I'm doing it again. Here it went a bit wonky. Let me just fix that. There. That's okay. By the way, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and let's get to 400 subs. Now that's my goal, as we have already got 301, which I'm very proud of. I'm really happy. Remember that you can always join my OC on Discord for Dangerous Queens as a guest, or as a looking to join, or as one of my queens. So yeah, applications are actually open now. I don't remember if I told you guys or not, but yeah. And as you see, it is actually, I don't know if you guys saw that, but either way, see, this is why I'm not the evenest person with these folding paper stuff. But if you get something like this, like to the half, you want to cut that off, scissors, and then just do that and just glue it. To make it more sturdy, you want to glue each of the sides. That is actually quite a lot of glue. Okay, and here, so guys, it's real sturdy and it won't break. And you see here, I've got some glue because of the not evenness, so got some glue here. But yeah, let's just move that to the side. I'm sorry guys if you won't see something, because I don't look at the camera all the time, so I'm not sure if you guys will see everything that I'm doing, but probably will see most of it. So you want another piece of this, and yeah, I'll just skip to the part where I'll have the other piece. Alright guys, we've just made, don't mind the glue on my hands, don't mind it. We've just made the other part here, so we've got 2 pieces of this. Oh, that's actually cool. Okay, either way, let me just close the glue. And yeah, we got 2 pieces now. I love them. Either way, now with these 2 pieces, we're gonna probably do around in the middle a little kind of cut thingy. Oh right, I remember now. So you want to like line it up so it's quite in the middle. Yep, that's even. And then, oops, there we go. You want to make that like that, because one piece is going to be, as you see here, the top, and the other is going to be the bottom. I'm doing a shorter here, longer here, so it's, kind of realistic. I'm definitely not doing a muzzle or a cow one, if you know what that is. This is going to be a triangle normal one, the most basic one, so the classic, let's just say. This doesn't have to be too even, but yeah. So this one, it's going to be the props. Let's just see which one is a bit thicker, maybe. If this one's thicker, then, okay, let me I just always, check which one's thicker, which one's not thicker. So this one is thicker. Okay, the one that I've just done is thicker. I did do both for 2 centimeters. So I don't really know if they both should be the same, but yeah. So this one is a bit thicker, so this one's going to be for the top. Sorry guys, I did not show you. So yeah, this one's going to be for the top, and this one's going to be for the bottom, the one that I'm just folding right now. I think that's going to be quite even actually where I did that. Okay. Yep. There we go. That's actually kind of hard to do. So, I just got this part. So we're going to take my scissors now. Oh god, I'm already at 9 minutes. So, props. You don't have to actually look at this. Just kind of a bit of it. Oof. Oh, that was actually bad. Okay, let's just put that away. Yeah, and then you see this piece is shorter than this one. By the way, this is my tutorial. I have made this all by myself, this one. I've never looked at a tutorial. I just made it out of my head. So I don't know if you would prefer my own tutorial or somebody else's. I probably looked from somebody else, and you know. But either way, yeah, you got these two. These are going to be the top and the bottom you got here. And now we're going to be cutting triangles. So, how do you show this to y'all? So, for now, the most important stuff will be these and this for the minute. Do we start with the shorter or the longer? I'll start with the top part. So, we're going to go and trace that so it's really good for your hand to just smoothly go in. And yeah, your hand should be at where you got the joints here, so where you do the bend thing, so right here, right? So that's where it should be for the end of the paper. And you're gonna trace that. Let me just, okay. Yeah, that should be good. So let me just trace that. Okay, this is gonna be a bit hard. Okay. Oof. Oh shoot, it's not tracing. I'm not gonna do it too evenly. But yeah, here. All right. Ooh, that moved. Let me just trace it. Goodness, it's hard to do this with the camera on. Camera's right in my face. I can't literally see anything. Okay, so that's what you get. To be honest, yeah, this is just what you get. And you want to do that again, so trace the same thing again. I think that's going to be about it. And just turn the paper over. Okay, like that. And yeah, that's going to be about the same thing. So, yeah. Okay, something like that. Okay, don't mind that, guys. So yeah, that's going to be about it. Let's just trace that also. Trace that. Going to do that. There we go. And then, actually, let's just make that a little bit of a circle. There we go. So guys, don't worry if it's going to be too short. Oh goodness. Don't mind if it's going to be too short for you. So yeah. Either way. There we go. Let's cut that out. I just skipped the part where I've got that cutting out. Alright guys, I've just cutting out the two pieces you see right here. Now we're going to glue them on. Was this piece or this piece? Okay, it was the bigger piece. Okay, so we're going to glue them on like this. Yeah, I'm not a perfect person that I glue stuff on. But yeah, I'm gonna glue it like this. So it's like on the top, you see right here, like something like that. Let me just grab my glue and I'll be right back when I glue that on. Alright, I've glued one piece on and now we're going to do with this same with the second one. Alrighty, I've just glued that on and as you see, that is right where we want it. That's going to be the top part and, oh shoot, and now we're going to be making that other part. So the bottom part, you know what guys, I'll just, I think you guys can do it by yourself. I think you guys can do it and I'll just skip to the part where I'll have it ready and then we'll see if you can do it by yourself. Okay, let's go then. Alright guys, I got the two pieces now and I'm going to show you guys real quickly how to just connect these two pieces so they're not wonky like this. So let me just get a little piece of paper. Alrighty, so we got this little piece of paper right here. I've got this paper, I'm going to cut some part of it. So about that much. And I'm going to, there we go. So yeah, that's about how much I cut off. I don't know, I'll just show you guys how long it is. So it is, count here, it is 17 centimeters. 17 centimeters for the length. Let me show you. So it's 17 centimeters like this. And for this, It's like 6.5. It's 6.5 like here. Alright. So yeah, we're just gonna bend this here. Bend it. Oh, good. Bend it here. I don't know. You can bend it a second time. I don't know. Should we bend it a second time? Oh, why not? Okay, we can bend it a second time. And then you're gonna just glue that together so it doesn't like fall off. So let's just stick the glue. Oof. Okay, let's just glue that. There we go. And yeah, just glue that up. So there we go. That is perfect. And now what you want to do is just open it up like this. So it's like this. And you're going to look, where's your first place? So something like that. There we go. You're going to put it in like this, and you're going to. Oh goodness, it just fell off. Okay. Don't worry, guys. We're going to do it. So we're gonna just stick it on. How do I show you guys this? So you're gonna take this, glue it here. And here, just glue those two pieces. And how to show this? Oh god. Gonna just stuff one piece in here. Stuff one piece. And then stuff the other piece in here. Try to do it evenly, so like, you know. But yeah, there we go. Sorry. That is what I've got here. That's how you do the talking thing. So you guys, I guess that was the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, which one would you prefer the most? Either way, guys. Oops. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.